Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the best, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it one day. Call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive, even though till the game's gonna buy it, let it stop. Try to get caught, let it stop. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I want it. So I'm way too obsessed right now. They'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Some injuries, mentally and physically. Studied them religiously, so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me, they don't want a victory. Bad enough to get a seat, they'd rather just go leave it be. And this journey, I've been here since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing. Double kill. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stuff. Don't get the juice, thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few drops. Coming through the wall. Can't even handle me. Even what I got, nobody's flipping my energy. And now I'll stop. I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shows so everybody remember me. And though I am not going through life regretfully, I'd rather work non-stop. They call it Cecily, but that's a word. To live life pleasantly, already got lost in my mind. Not a fantasy, I'm getting nails back and forth. So stop, drop, and roll. You lost all control and pop off your ball. Like I thought I fall, I'm not wrong. I'm not hey, knock, knock, control and shit. Knock it off, I'm gonna stop and go with hip-hop, you know. Or is it rock and roll? I'm not dropping down, no, my pocket's strong. You can't stop the show, so get rock and roll. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never. You know I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't here to make friends. Yeah, I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm back. No, I'm never slowing down, cause we're blowing up now. Never slowing down, keep on going till I'm back.
Triple kill.
Slowing down, cause we're blowing up. In my own section, and they still disconnected, cause their mind's been infected, and they're filled with objection, too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention, cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension, and my passion, my profession.
Quadra kill.
Taking action and progression, I go off from the enemy, that's what makes it scare me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daringly. You say I act recklessly, that's why I'm effective. See, you can't predict my tendency, I offer no transparency. Some people think I'm lost, others think I'll be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second, and my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay proud. Don't let the dream stop, cause dreaming is a blessing. They tell me all the same, told me I won't make a name. It's about the fame, it's keeping me sane, so I stay within my lane. With my head through my veins, no pain, them all to my
Dominating. Unstoppable.
break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never.
Rampage.
Do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head doesn't fail. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, till my thoughts move along. Push myself to be the best, try with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I have so many dreams.
Killing spree.
Try to find a way. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you every side. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rise just like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes,